What is Freelancing Skill Exam? If you are just starting as a freelancer, you probably don't have a decent portfolio or reviews and feedback from past clients. For that reason, it's important you complete your profile. To help newbie freelancers work around the lake of reviews and feedback, freelance websites have made available skill tests. This skill test for free. Some other websites also have the test, but a freelance consultant can take one or more of them for a certain fee. Exams badges are shown on your bids and on your profile after you pass each exam. They are a great way to win more work by showing off your credibility and trustworthiness to employers. It is recommended taking 3 or 4 skill tests in your niche of expertise before you even start bidding on projects. After that, you can take as many tests as you want and like. There are no limits. If you apply to a project and the client requires a specific test, don't just ignore the requirement. Don't say you'll take the test later. Don't think of a different scenario when you would need or won't need to take the test. Just take it. Skill tests are of crucial importance when building your freelance profile and applying to projects, especially if you are just starting as a freelancer. The more tests you take, the better. Don't rush into taking all tests there are though. The score you pass the test with is also very important. The higher the score, the better the impression you make.